Morning, dear children. Jai Swaminarayan. So, welcome back to your English class. So, this is your first English class, and today is 22nd of June. So, before we start with the class, let me introduce myself. I am Sunita Patnaik and I will be teaching you English. So, let us begin. So, before we begin, let me give you the introduction of the book which you are going to use in standard 6. The name of the book is New Pathways by Oxford. Okay. So, this is your first lesson of your English class, and the name of the lesson is Growing Up. As you can see the title given over here, this is Growing Up. The lesson name is Growing Up, and in this lesson 1 there are 2 stories and a poem which we will be doing. So, today we will start with the first story, and the name of the story is How Daddy Played Ping Pong by Alexander Ruskin. Okay. So, before we start with the class, children, there are some starter questions given over here. So, let us read the question, and before we go ahead with the class, if you are having the book, I would request all of you to please open your book to page number 11, and you should be having a pencil with you so that you can underline the difficult words and you can find the meaning of those difficult words from the dictionary, and you can write it in your book so that it becomes easier for you. If you were present in the class, we could have done in the class, but as you are at home during this pandemic situation, COVID-19, so you can take the pencil, you can note down the difficult words, underline it, and then you can start writing the meanings looking into the dictionary. Okay. So, these are the starter questions given over here. First one is, ask your parents, grandparents or any elders in your family to tell you a funny incident from their childhood, or when they or a friend or classmate got into trouble at home or in school. Okay. Now, you have to ask your parents or your grandparents or any elders, those who are staying with you in your family right now, to tell you about a funny incident that had taken place in their childhood when they or a friend or classmate got into trouble at home or in school. Now, the next thing what you have to do is, after listening to the incident or the episode which they have told you, you have to share the same thing with your siblings or friends or any other family member. Okay. So, children, you have to share the same thing with, here it is written that the episode has to be shared with the class. But as you all are aware that this is the pandemic situation and you are at home, so physically you are not present in the class, so you can talk with discuss it or have the discussion with your family members or your friends or the siblings. Now, the next thing what you have to do is, you need to think how they would have reacted if you were to do the same thing or got into a similar situation at school. Fine. So, we will start with the story. The first section 1, How Daddy Played Ping Pong. So, you all like to play games, right? So, same way here we are going to come to know how Daddy played ping pong. Okay, ping pong means it is a name of a game. And what is that game? Can you see the picture over here? From seeing the picture you can make it out that ping pong means table tennis. Okay, it is a game and the name of the game is ping pong, that means table tennis. Okay, so now we are going to read a story about a school boy obsessed with ping pong. Okay, so here is a story about a school boy. Now he is narrating this story about his father who played ping pong. So he is telling us about how his daddy played ping pong, and that is why he is obsessed with ping pong. That means he likes the game ping pong. Okay, so now this is what he is narrating over here. When daddy was a little school boy, a new game was invented. Okay, nowadays ping pong is a very common game. Okay, there are many different games, but when his daddy was a school boy, a new game was invented at that time, and it was called ping pong. And nowadays lot of children play ping pong, but in those days ping pong was all the rage. Rage means the meaning is given over here. Can you read the meaning given over here? It was popular. Okay, so it was a very popular game. It was played from morning till night in every school and courtyard, on tables, benches, grand pianos, and on the floor. So it was a very famous popular game at those days, and that is why everyone, whether it was a small child or a middle school child or youngster or an adult, everyone used to play ping pong. Okay, so we'll read the story ahead. Now it was played from morning till night in every school and courtyard, on tables, benches, grand pianos, and on the floor. Wherever they used to get the place, they used to start playing ping pong. Some even also played at night. They used to play during the morning but till night, but then some people loved this game so much that they used to play at night too. Now many kids forgot that anything else existed except ping pong. So they were so much engrossed in this game that some children, they forgot to eat, to sleep, to study, to play, except for playing ping pong. So everyone was having craze for playing ping pong, and especially the children. Okay, so there were ping pong matches in little daddy's school every single day. So in his daddy's school, every single day there was a ping pong match. Okay, there was a table tennis match. Now every class played each other to determine the school champion. So they wanted to represent the school, and they wanted the school to become the champion, because now and then there were matches everywhere. So everyone wanted that their class should play the best and give their best, and then the school should get they should win the match, and then the school should get the school champion trophy. Okay, then the next thing is, then they played each other and the winner became the district champion. After becoming the school champion, then they played for the next level, and then they became the district champion. Now after the district champion, after the school champion, then comes the district champion. After the district champion, then there was a city tournament. Okay, then Moscow and Leningrad played with each other. So they played they played, and then they became the school champion. After the school champion, then they became the district champion. After the district champion, then there was a city tournament, and the city tournament was between Moscow and Leningrad. They played with each other. Okay, so we'll continue further. Now next, what happened? Now little daddy was amazed. He just could not understand why it was so interesting to keep bouncing a little white ball back and forth with little paddles. So you can see the ball, this is the white ball. Okay, and The fourth with little paddles. This is the little paddle.